more entertainment for the crowd. This is the Daytona Harley Davidson drill team all the way from Daytona, Florida, and they're going to entertain the crowd all day long. This is Phil with the Daytona Harley Davidson drill team. I'm just going to take a couple minutes and let Phil tell you what they do.
Well, actually, we're a precision drill team, motorcycle drill team. We've been formed since 1994 from Daytona Beach, Florida. We travel throughout the Southeast, going to hog rallies and other performances, Myrtle Beach and Thunder Beach and different places like that. And our purpose in doing this is to promote motorcycle safety. We show how to control these bikes. We do a safety seminar beforehand to show them the slippage of the clutch, the friction zone, the rear brake, and the throttle, how to control these big bikes. Because we're at the age, where I am and the rest of the team and a lot of people around here, who buy a bike after they've been off a bike for 20 or 30 years and get on and think you know how to ride. You don't. So we try to instill upon them the responsibility of riding a bike for your own handling yourself, for your passenger and your family and stuff like that. And we encourage them to take motorcycle safety skill courses through MSF or watch us. We show them some tricks of the trade to become a better rider. Become a better rider, you're going to be a safer rider. So that's why we're here. We promote Bruce Rossmeyer from Destination Daytona sponsors us, and we travel throughout like the Southeast, like I said. And luckily, John and Jill invited us up here for his Founders Day, and we're really happy to be here and we're enjoying ourselves. Thank you.
Well, thank you very much. It's an exciting show, and you know, as part of safety these days is so critical. I mean, enjoying riding is one thing, but enjoying it safely is another. And with so many other people out there on the roads these days that are buying motorcycles that haven't ridden, it's nice that you guys are doing that service. So thanks a lot. Thanks for being a part of it. I'm sure John and Jill are going to be enjoying watching the show. Thank you again. Appreciate it. Man, it's amazing what those guys could do with such big motorcycles. But right now, let's check out Ill Conduct, the stunt biking team. Hey, here we are with Ill Conduct. This is Jeff Snyder. He's one of the stunt riders with the team, and you guys are here today to entertain the crowds. What are you going to do?
We're going to do everything. We got Chris Teach McNeil with us, factory BMW rider. We're going to be riding all Harley Davidson and Buell on my team, and we do every trick there is in the book, from some drifting, wheelies, one-handed wheelies, high chair wheelies, some acrobatics, stoppies, 180 stoppies. We'll definitely get this crowd going out here today.
Well, we're excited to see you guys perform. You're going to be doing this all day long today, and you're doing it again tomorrow, right?
Yes, sir. 3 shows today, 10:30, 12:30, 2:30, and same on Sunday. So make sure you get out here. It's a great event going on. JP Cycle's 30th anniversary. Come check it out. Ready to rock and roll.
Right on. Extreme Motorcycling Event Show. Let's check it out. Go for it.
JP 2009, baby. Well, if we only break one a day, it's been a good day.
Hey, that was a great show, guys. Jeff, Teach, you guys are amazing. Tell me a little bit about the bikes you guys are riding here.
Well, I'm riding Harley Davidson and Buell motorcycles. I've got a XR 1200, 1200 cc's of American-made V-twin, and then I ride a XB9R, which is Buell's version or Harley's version of a sport bike. It's called Buell, and they're sick bikes, American air-cooled, run real good. They take a lot of abuse and a lot of fun to ride.
What about you, Teach?
I'm on the BMW F800. It's part of the F800 GS family. Great bike, on off-road. BMW's version of a sport bike at this point in time. You know, tons of fun. Having a blast out here today.
I think you guys put them through the paces of everything they had thought that they would never be doing, but it was impressive for the crowd to see, and then we noticed in the crowd that we had Jason here. So Jason, what'd you think?
Absolutely incredible. You know, Jeff and Teach here, these guys are great examples of what the possibilities are on something other than a sport bike. I mean, Teach riding the F800 and Jeff riding this XR 1200, out there doing what the bikes are absolutely at the limit of what they're capable of. I mean, these guys are doing things that we're doing on sport bikes and making it look easy, so it's incredible.
Yeah. Speaking of sport bikes, we're going to see stuff like this on your show this year?
Yeah, absolutely. You'll see more stuff like this on super bikes. We're in between seasons right now, so we weren't able to come out and cover it, but yeah. Season 5, we got the green light for that, so we will be a go, and you're going to see more of the same and all the other events going on around the country.
That's cool. And you know, speaking of events around the country, I mean, what about this event for the middle of Iowa in June? I mean, the collection of vendors here is amazing. What do you think?
I think it's huge. I was quite surprised the bikes are still pouring in. It's going to be almost noon right now.
Yeah, and they'll keep coming in until tomorrow. We're expecting 20,000. What do you think of that?
I like 20,000. That's a good number. Ought to give us a decent crowd out there, and let's get everybody out here. J&P Cycles, a heck of an event going on Saturday and Sunday.
Well, thank you guys. We look forward to the shows. I hope you ride safely and enjoy it. Let's thrill the crowds.
Let's do it.